Hi friends! Let's play with these number blocks. First, flip the blocks. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, number 10. Now we see the numbers. Let's line them up, tiny to big. Let's find the teeny tiniest number. Is it this one? No. 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 Is it this one? Yes. 1 is the teeny tiniest. Let's put it here. Now it's our first number. Next, number 2. 2 is bigger than 1. Next, number 3. 3 is bigger than 2. Let's add number 4. It's bigger than 3. Now, meet number 5. 5 is bigger than 4. Here comes number 6. 6 is giant next to 5. Next up, number 7. 7 is bigger than 6. Number 8. 8 is mega big next to 7. Whoa! Number 9. 9 is super duper bigger than 8. Last one is number 10. 10 is the biggest and huge next to 9. We lined up the numbers. Teeny tiny to big big. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Bye-bye. Tap the subscribe button so we can play again soon.